Today, we're making steak and eggs. Bacon wrapped maple glazed pork loin, seasoned up and wrapped in a bacon weave, tied off and smoked for about 2 hours at 250, glazed with maple syrup until it was seared and crusty on the outside. It was so freaking delicious. Find the whole recipe on my blog. Cheers. Add another shrimp to the bobby, because today we're making surf and turf. Start with New York strip seasoned with sea salt and black pepper. Add some chipotle garlic to the shrimp. Preheat your skillet with herbs, garlic, and oil. Add steaks. Baste steaks in butter until done, and then pull off. Add shrimp, then lemon juice, and cook till done. About 2 minutes more of cooking. Slice steaks and garnish shrimp with parsley. And there you got it, steak and shrimp for surf and turf. More video. All right, so today we're making smoked carnitas tacos. We're gonna use sea salt, black pepper, cinnamon, and cumin with some chipotle puree. We're gonna add some orange juice and zest, some lime juice and zest, and a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna marinate that pork butt overnight using the Reynolds Wrap Heavy Duty. And then we're gonna actually start our fire indirect at about 250 until it hits 165 internal. Making onions, garlic, white wine vinegar, a little bit of orange juice, lime juice, mix that up so we can use it for the braising sauce. Pull it off at 165, and we're gonna put it in a cast iron with the braising sauce and some bay leaves, and we're gonna cook that until it's 195 internal. We're gonna pull it off, we're gonna let it rest in tin foil, and then we're gonna shred it out. We're gonna sear it in pork fat, and we're gonna add some corn tortillas on there, and then we're gonna actually make the tacos using the pork carnitas, a little bit of onion, some cilantro, jalapeno, and lime juice. And there you go, perfect tacos for this weekend. Cheers.